to cooking time. Today we will be making homemade ice cream from the recipe on my website. So this is a video to help you out, and you know what? Go on over to the website and check the recipe out. But for this recipe, this credit goes to my dad. He made this recipe and together we've made it better. So it's extremely healthy. It doesn't have any cornstarch or whipping cream, heavy whipping cream or anything like that in it. So it's super healthy except for, you know, the heavier milk and the sugar. But it's super duper good. And today I'm also going to be making it with chocolate. So this is pretty cool. So what you're going to do is you're going to take bowls. You're going to want to take a bigger bowl, a large bowl actually, and you're going to want to open up your can of evaporated milk. So it should be 13 ounces, and that's the best. So I'm going to go and open this up. Alright, there we go. Okay. So now I should be able to open this and get all the evaporated milk out. There we go. And there we go. We have our evaporated milk in the bowl. There's our evaporated milk. Now we actually need to get real milk and put half a cup of real milk in. So you could either do fat-free or whole milk. It doesn't mean whole milk might make it a little bit thicker, but not by that much. So I'm just gonna put in fat-free because that's what I use, and I'm gonna put in half a cup of it. Okay, so we dump this in. Okay. So now what we're gonna need to do is get a quarter cup of sugar. So just a quarter cup, it's not that much. Very, very satisfying. Oh, except that there's little clumps in there. There we go. To get that one clump. I also forgot to add my chocolate. This is 2 to 3 teaspoons and 3. Okay, and then you mix. So I'm gonna continue mixing this. And I'm gonna go get the ice cream maker. Okay, so I have my ice cream machine here. It's plugged in. The bowl is in. We're gonna use this thing and you're gonna put it in. And I'm going to just carefully dump this in. Okay. So you're gonna want a spoon because there are gonna be stuff in the bottom that you're going to need. And there we go. So now, what we're going to do is put the lid on, first of all. Make sure it's locked. Okay. Hit power, which you already did. We're going to hit timer for 60, and we're going to hit start. And it's going to keep going in there until it's ready. While we wait, it's a good idea to start cleaning up. After 60 minutes, and after Matthew woke up from a nap, and after Lily got cleaning up. Alrighty.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is going to be super good, and we're going to put it in these bowls.
I love it. I love it.
And this is the delicious ice cream. Mommy said it tasted like Wendy's Frosty. No, but Daddy says it's good. And Lily says it's good. Matthew, what do you think? Is the ice cream good? Yeah? Okay, good. I think it's good too.
Yum.
Yum.